Welcome everyone to this exploration of JavaScript, the dynamic force behind the web. I am thrilled to embark on this journey together, delving deep into JavaScript's capabilities and unleashing its true potential. My name is SM and I'm excited to guide you through this adventure. Today, we immerse ourselves in the world of JavaScript, a programming language that breathes life into the web. From simple interactivity to complex functionalities, we will uncover the incredible power and versatility of JavaScript. So, let's dive in and discover what makes JavaScript an integral part of modern web development. Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript, born in 1995 through the hands of Brendan Eich, is far more than just a scripting language. It's the driving force behind the dynamic and interactive content that we experience daily on the web. Think of JavaScript as the architect behind the scenes, allowing websites to come alive, adapt, and respond to our actions in real time. Since its inception, it has risen to prominence, becoming an indispensable tool in the web development toolbox. Throughout this session, we will uncover the evolution of JavaScript and explore the myriad ways it empowers us to craft engaging user experiences. So get ready to witness how this versatile language shifts the digital world. What is JavaScript? JavaScript isn't just a language, it's the cornerstone of interactive web experiences. It's a high level versatile programming language designed to transform static web pages into dynamic responsive ones. JavaScript acts as a catalyst, infusing websites with behaviors and functionalities that elevate user interaction. From seamless form validations to the architecture of intricate web applications, its capabilities know no bounds. Imagine JavaScript as the wizard behind the curtain, orchestrating the elements on a web page to dance to the tune of our interactions. As we delve deeper, we will witness firsthand the magic of JavaScript and the endless possibilities it offers in creating immersive online experiences. Why learn JavaScript? Let's explore why diving into JavaScript is not just beneficial but a game changer in today's digital landscape, highlighting endless possibilities. JavaScript isn't confined. It's the key that unlocks boundless possibilities. With its power, you can transform your ideas into vibrant, interactive web experiences, emphasizing demand and opportunities. In today's job market, the demand for JavaScript developers is soaring. Learning JavaScript isn't just about coding, it's about opening doors to a myriad of exciting career prospects in web development and beyond, focusing on user experience. Moreover, JavaScript isn't just about functionality, it's about crafting experiences. It's the tool that enables you to weave together dynamic, responsive websites, elevating user experiences to new heights. By understanding JavaScript, you gain the ability to sculpt the digital landscape, creating seamless, enjoyable journeys for users across the web. JavaScript fundamentals. Let's lay the foundation of JavaScript by exploring its fundamental building blocks. Introducing variables. Variables are the building blocks of data storage in JavaScript. We will explore how to declare and assign values to variables, empowering you to store and manipulate data efficiently. Unveiling conditional statements. Conditional statements are the navigators in our code, steering the logic flow. We will delve into the power of if-else and switch statements, enabling you to make more informed decisions within your programs. Unlocking the world of loops. Loops are the engines that drive repetition in JavaScript. We will dissect the mechanics of for and while loops, equipping you with the ability to execute actions multiple times efficiently and precisely. These fundamental concepts serve as the bedrock of JavaScript programming, empowering you to craft dynamic and sophisticated applications. Manipulating the DOM. Let's venture into the world of the document object model DOM, where JavaScript's magic truly unfolds. Mastering element selection. Selecting elements within the document is the gateway to manipulating web content. We will explore how JavaScript enables us to target and modify elements, manipulating content, styles, and attributes effortlessly. Embracing event handling. Events bring interactivity to life. We will uncover the art of event handling, responding dynamically to user interactions. By attaching event listeners to DOM elements, you will learn how to create responsive, engaging web experiences. Crafting and transforming elements. JavaScript empowers you to not only modify but also create new elements on the fly. We will explore techniques for crafting and transforming DOM elements dynamically, breathing life into your web pages and seamless modifications. These abilities within the DOM realm elevate your JavaScript expertise, enabling you to create fluid, interactive, and user-centric web applications. Intermediate concepts. Moving beyond the basics, let's delve deeper into the heart of JavaScript, uncovering its intermediate concepts, unraveling the power of functions. Functions, these versatile blocks of reusable code, are the backbone of JavaScript. We will dissect how to define, invoke, and leverage functions to streamline your code and boost efficiency. Unlocking the potential of arrays. Arrays are like treasure chests in JavaScript, holding collections of elements. We will navigate through arrays, discovering their ordered nature and mastering common operations to manipulate data structures. Embracing object-oriented programming. Objects are the architects of complex systems in JavaScript. We will plunge into object-oriented programming, creating objects to encapsulate properties and behaviors, unlocking the potential for more organized, scalable code. Venturing into APIs and AJAX, JavaScript's prowess extends beyond just the browser. We will explore how to harness APIs, making asynchronous requests to external resources using AJAX, and dynamically fetching data, enriching your applications with real-time updates. These intermediate concepts deepen your JavaScript fluency, empowering you to build more sophisticated, efficient, and interactive web solutions. Libraries and frameworks. Let's explore the vast landscape of JavaScript libraries, frameworks, and tools that enrich the development experience. Unveiling powerful JavaScript libraries. JavaScript is home to renowned libraries like React, Angular, and Vue.js, streamlining development and amplifying productivity. These libraries provide powerful tools to craft dynamic, efficient, and scalable web applications. Introducing CSS frameworks. CSS frameworks such as Bootstrap and Materialize offer a treasure trove of pre-designed components and styles. They empower developers to create visually stunning and responsive web projects with ease. Navigating the world of packages and modules. JavaScript's ecosystem thrives on diversity. With package managers like NPM, developers gain access to a plethora of plugins and modules. These extensions amplify your capabilities, allowing you to seamlessly integrate functionalities into your projects. These libraries, frameworks, and modules serve as invaluable resources, enhancing your toolkit and enabling you to create robust, visually appealing, and feature-rich web applications. Advanced JavaScript. As we ascend into the realms of mastery, let's explore the advanced facets of JavaScript and elevate your coding prowess. Diving into design patterns. Design patterns are the architect's blueprint for writing cleaner, more maintainable, and reusable JavaScript code. We will unravel these patterns, equipping you with strategies to enhance the structure and scalability of your projects. Mastering asynchronous programming. Asynchronous operations are the heart of modern web development. We will delve into callbacks, promises, and async await, unveiling the art of managing asynchronous tasks effectively in JavaScript. Harnessing the power of browser APIs. Web browsers offer a treasure trove of APIs from geolocation to web storage. We will navigate through these browser APIs, showcasing how they empower you to create interactive and dynamic features, seamlessly integrating with the web platform. Optimizing for performance. Optimization is the key to a responsive and efficient web application. We will explore techniques to fine-tune your JavaScript code, ensuring optimal performance and an enhanced user experience. As we journey into the advanced realms, these concepts will empower you to craft robust, efficient, and feature-rich JavaScript applications. Resources for learning. Let's conclude our journey by equipping you with invaluable resources to further your JavaScript expertise. Delving into books. Books offer a wealth of knowledge. Explore JavaScript through acclaimed books like Eloquent JavaScript or You Don't Know JS, uncovering deeper insights into the language and its applications. Continued learning and practice. Further your learning journey by diving into additional resources, exploring frameworks, and engaging in real world projects. This hands on approach will solidify your understanding and expertise in mastering JavaScript. Connecting with coding communities. Join vibrant coding communities to connect with like minded JavaScript enthusiasts. These communities serve as hubs for learning, sharing knowledge, and seeking guidance, fostering an environment where you can grow alongside fellow learners. By embracing these resources, you will not only continue your journey but also become an integral part of the thriving JavaScript community, continuously evolving and mastering this dynamic language. As our journey through JavaScript draws to a close, remember this is just the beginning. Now equipped with the fundamentals, delve deeper into JavaScript, unleash your creativity, and let your imagination soar as you weave your code into the fabric of the web. With your newfound skills, you have the power to transform the digital landscape. JavaScript isn't just a language, it's a canvas for innovation and a tool to bring your visions to life. Embark on your JavaScript journey, embrace challenges as opportunities, and let your code be the brush strokes that paint the vibrant, dynamic web of tomorrow. Thank you all for joining today's session. I look forward to exploring more JavaScript intricacies with you in our upcoming lectures. Stay tuned for further insights and exciting discoveries in our journey through JavaScript.